As we now know from the New York Magazine article, The Man Who Gossiped Too Much, written by Lila Shapiro, that the man behind the celebrity blind website Crazy Days and Nights, Enty Lawyer, is actually that of John Nelson from Indio, California. And his identity came to light after he decided to file a restraining order with stalking charges against his then girlfriend, just minutes after he texted her "I love you" and that he was landing to fly out her and her kids, actually drive them across country from Florida to California. So as Lila continues to explain in her article, and especially as it relates to the court proceedings, in her response to Nelson's restraining order, Crose asked that the judge also bring a restraining order against Nelson, claiming he threatened her life. On January 11, 2023, he allegedly told her, "I have unalived women before and could unalive you. I can make you disappear if I want. I am smart enough to get away with it." Nelson told me that he had never unalived anyone and had never said that to Crose. Nelson, meanwhile, is pursuing a defamation claim against Crose, along with a second restraining order in federal court. This one adds that she had threatened to unalive him too. As evidence, he showed text messages in which she said "effing die." He also argued that some of her Patreon posts, which mentioned his minor children, put his kids in danger. The judge dismissed the complaint in part because Nelson failed to follow procedural rules and warned him against wasting the court's time. When I asked Emily Sack, a professor at Roger Williams University School of Law, to review Nelson's filings, she described them as frivolous. Then she paused to ask me a question. Do we know if he's actually an attorney? Because let's just say that the documents weren't particularly well done.